Here are 10 step-by-step methods to download and install Car Mechanic Simulator latest 2026 or similar version on Steam and fix common installation errors. Number 1. Install Steam. First, go to official Steam website, download Steam installer, install Steam on your PC, open Steam and log in. Create account if needed. 2. Search for the game, open Steam app, go to store, type Car Mechanic Simulator, select the correct version, open game page. Number 3, buy or add to library. Click Buy or Add to Library if free owned. Confirm purchase. Check library for game. 4, start download properly. Go to library, click the game, press install, choose install location, wait for download to start. 5, check internet connection. Make sure internet is stable. Restart router if needed. Avoid using weak Wi-Fi. Pause and resume download. 6, clear Steam download cache. Open Steam settings. Go to Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, restart Steam, try downloading again. 7, change download region, open Steam settings, go to Downloads, change download region, select Nearby server, restart download. 8, run Steam as administrator, close Steam completely, right-click Steam icon, select Run as administrator, start download again. 9, check storage space, open File Explorer, check drive space, make sure enough GB available, free up space if needed, retry install. Number 10, verify after installation, open Steam library, click Game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, click Verify Integrity, launch game